Okay, guys, I don't know what fortune has fallen upon me here, but I got my haul from HSN from a few days ago in super early. Like, I don't know, the guy just dropped it off, but I had to get my kids ready for school, so now I'm making the video. And they do that sometimes, and it was weird because I thought I was expecting it from UPS, and I thought I tracked it, so they must have left it to the US Post Office and then sent it here. But anyway, any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items. Sorry, yeah, so I had to get the kids ready for school, and now here we are. But really cool, because these are some of the things I literally just picked up, and I wanted to show you guys, and I also want to mention that the price has changed there on HSN on a few of these. So if you picked them up last week when I showed some of the other items, then maybe you want to, well, actually, I don't know about maybe, you want to contact them either through the chat online or just call them, and they will refund the difference of the price matches. But we'll talk about that in just a minute. So I know, the craft day's going hot and heavy. Thank goodness for the $5 cart, you guys. Honestly, I mean, we all, made our selections, and we were it makes a big difference if you're adding $3 and $5 to each item, right? So I know a lot of us kind of held off, but really great. So these are a couple auto ship items, but they're also with my Anna Griffin new fun things that have auto ships to them too. So this will be fun to check out. So real quickly, I'll just open this up. And people asked me about the Crafter's Companion. I think the Christmas Compendium is supposed to have the next auto ship coming out. It should be right now in January. I haven't checked my manager, to be honest, but we'll see. So this is the 3D folders and stencils craft kit. And it says makes minimum of 24 cards. And as you can see, this is the kind of thing that you can do with it. Very pretty. I don't know that I'm going to unbox it right now because I basically want to talk about the Anna Griffin items and then show you what they look like. And then today, I'll maybe do a tutorial of one or two of them just so that you guys have that information as the craft day is going. Some things might have already sold out. We will see. But again, I'll have the links for everything in the description box. So again, this is number 32. 3D folders and stencils craft kit. I know they opened up the auto ship again on HSN, so if you sign up, you're going to get 3 previous boxes for like a great price. I think it's $49.95. And then after that, the boxes should be $24.95 plus shipping and hand. They're roughly about $30. And you're probably not going to get 32 because that just came out, so you'll probably start with 33. But you'll see it as soon as you order, if you place, for your auto ship sign up, go into your auto ship and you'll see there the next one that's ready to go, and it'll probably be 33, I'm assuming. But if it says 32, then it's this folders and stencils. So again, folders and stencils. I'll just open it. So here's all the little pretty things that are in there. You know what? I think I'm liking this. It has really nice size embossing folders, 3D embossing folders. There's 3 of them, and each one has a stencil or 2, it looks like. Cool. And then all the papers, and I really like the paper, what I can see from the bottom here. Sorry. If you're already in the auto ship, this is already on its way to you, so regardless, there it is. I know people are kind of like, oh, because there's no like sneak peek, but sometimes Sarah sells those on her own site, on Crafter's Companion, so you might get a sneak peek of it, because sometimes she does it a little bit early. I don't know. Okay, this is another auto ship for the little darlings. Oh, this might be the last one or close to the last one because I've had these coming in. I know I haven't done a lot of them because they're little and I have to really be in the mood for the coloring, but they are so cute. Look at this. The Teacup Cottage. Oh my gosh. I was saying, are these even smaller? Is that possible? They are so cute. Oh, look at all the little images. And you don't have to even use the little house. You can just put your little fairies here and there. And they have a die for each and every single one. That's what I really love. Even, the smallest thing on here. Oh, look at this little laundry or what is it? Yes, the little stockings. Oh, okay. So I'm just going to pass out from the cuteness. But then they have an idea sheet. So always super cute. They do have some items right now for Craft Day LDRS, but I'll have to check those out. So this is the Bow Pop-Out Dies Auto Ship. This one did drop in price, I think. I want to say $6. Whatever it was, it's 26 something right now. So I think it was 32. So definitely, again, I'll have the links there. You can click on it and then you can go into your HSN or however you want to get there. Just go over there. And if you want to chat online, that's the easiest way to do it. Or you can call them and just ask them for the price match. But this one and I think the Cathedral one I'll show next also dropped in price. So I'll show this really quickly. And I was trying to explain this the last time just by showing the picture in the last video. Real quickly, as far as price matching, the easiest way I would do is not go and like, oh, okay, I remember I ordered this, or go into your orders, just your order panel, and then click on the item. And when you pop Sorry, I can hear Miranda needed to participate in class, and I didn't want to talk over her in case she could hear me, though she's in the other room. But yeah, so just click on the item that you ordered, and then see if the price is different. If it's different, then, you can let them know right away on there, or you can call up. And that's probably the easiest way to do it, instead of like going to search for everything and trying to remember what you ordered, So this is the pop-out card dies, and there's going to be an auto ship. Obviously this is the auto ship with it. And so you can see this piece, what it does is just the inside of the card. So it's like that shadow and then the inside. And I have a tutorial on the first one I had picked up before, and that one is actually still available. But so yeah, so there'll be different ones coming in with the auto ship. So pretty. It's just something different, to do on the inside of your card. So maybe I'll do a tutorial on that later today, because it's pretty simple. It's just that basic mechanism. And then look at this. And then you just add whatever you like. Now this is the one I was waiting for, the shutter, Cathedral shutter. So I had that original shutter card for a while in dies, and I barely used them the other day. And I'm like, why didn't I use these before? And you guys, everyone who's ordered is like, oh my gosh, I love them. Or, I have them too, but I haven't used them. Now I will. Or I used them for Christmas. I know one of my friends here says she made a white on white card, which would be so pretty, I think. Can you imagine all these different layers in like a white or just like a cream color? I think that would be really nice. So this is the Cathedral set. Again, I have it here, so I'll probably tutorialize it either today or tomorrow. Do it pretty soon here. But we have the belly band part, and then we have the actual card base that folds in. And if you saw the other video, you're familiar with what I'm talking about. And then this is the piece that goes in the middle of your card that helps the shutter do its thing, right, to keep your shutter pieces behind. And these are actually the shutter pieces, so they have a really cool shape to them. So the whole card has a lot of movement. It's just really pretty. So I will definitely try these out, like I said, either today or tomorrow. And again, it was so simple, because to me, I was like, oh, I just pulled together some papers, and it just looked so awesome. So I was really excited about them having a auto ship. I'm just quickly looking at the instructions, because the last instructions were a little odd. This is better, because the last one said to put that middle part in. I'm like, that's really hard to do. So I showed you guys to do the flaps first, right? Yeah, I guess they're flaps. And that's what they're showing here, so that's good. And then put the top, yes, perfect. Much better. And then decorate it. And then the belly band, let me see. Ah, yes, they said to cut off the ends, and that's exactly what we were supposed to do. And the last one, it just said to add them together, and they were like this thick if you do that. So, the instructions are better, guys. They're listening. I know a lot of people left comments on the item page like, the instructions are crazy, or they're horrible. Anyway, so yeah, so good. Her instructions are basically what I had mentioned to do, and it came out real easy. I'm super excited. So thanks, guys. I'll have the links also in the description box for pretty much everything that I picked up. I picked a bunch of random things. It might be gone now. The We Are Memory Keepers Explosion box creator. I have to try it out, you guys. So I have that. Several different Crafters Companion things. Oh, the little nesting. I knew I was going to pick those up as soon as I saw them. It was very Tonic Studios looking. It's like a stackable easel card. So it has like a small heart, a larger heart, and then the largest one. And I did that with the auto ship. There's so many things I can't even think of right now. But I'll have all the links to everything that I picked up. So if you're interested, or, I'm going to show it and try it out. So thanks for watching, guys. I will come back very shortly, hopefully, with a tutorial probably on that first set of dies, the pop-up. And but like I said, I'll have the links there for you, and only because the kids are in class and I can't really keep kind of a hush-hush tone over here doing a tutorial, right? So I have to kind of wait till Miranda has a lunch break. So I'll be back, guys. Have a great day. Any questions for me, leave them in the comments there, and I'll try to answer those. But yeah, just make sure if there's anything that you ordered in the last 30 days, really, but I know if we're working up to craft day, they dropped some items last week, right? And going into the craft day, get your price match. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.